Ito 40,000 will be given to Mancross Content Creator Incentives. This is tax-free. Congratulations po sa inyong lahat. Dito lang yan sa Isonus. Palakpakan naman natin.
63-year-old content creator, first ever jackpot incentive winner sa Isonus.
I started with Isonus last July. It was actually my wife who convinced me to join Isonus kasi content creator din siya. Aware ako na maraming mga benefits at saka mga incentives sa out of joining Isonus as a content creator. Pero I never realized na I'll be the first one who will be awarded as for an incentive dito as a content creator sa Isonus. October 25, me and my wife were in a event. The company is extending some prizes. There are a couple of earpods to be given away. So sabi ko, akin yan, sabi ko. Mananalo ako niyan. Kine-claim ko. Pero yung wife ko nagtaas siya. Siya ang nagtaas ng kamay, siya ang sumagot, siya ang tinawag. So siya nanalo. Sabi ko, okay. Okay lang, di ba? Mahihiram ko naman yan. After the event, napahaba yung kwento namin. So, we never noticed na may mga messages and all. When we boarded the car, paalis na kami, tinignan ng wife ko yung phone niya. Sabi niya, may message tayo. May message din ako, sabi niya. Actually, ang nag-message sa kanya is si Richard Hidalgo, who is also a content creator, who happens also to be a former colleague ng wife ko. So, sinasabi niya, kasi close sila, sabi niya, nanalo si Mancross Sabi niya, 40,000. Ganun. Actually, I was kind of proud kasi to be able to be considered as one of the, to be given an incentive as a content creator. Kaya nga, during that night, naisip ko agad na siguro it's about time to encourage yung other content creator na I know, na who are posting on Facebook and YouTube also. Yung mga friends ko na nagko-content creation din. I sent some messages, kaya sabi ko, try nyo to. Then I even posted sa Facebook yung declaration of yung winning ko na share nyo. So I shared them to my friends and to my sa profile ko. So nakita nila yon and then they were asking, paano yun? Paano? Then I told them, ito. Sabi ko, ito referral link ko, click mo lang to. Doon sa mga content creators dyan, whether you are a startup or a big-time content creators, I encourage you to join Isonus, and who knows, you might be the next winner also. The only thing I did is to post my content. I love to sing, so I post my videos online, and using the Isonus, it really helps me to build up my viewership.
63 years old, retired, pero ngayon may bagong dahilan para maging excited sa bawat upload. Kasi sa Isonus, bawat kwento may chance manalo.
Sa Isonus, panalo ka.
Sa Isonus, panalo ka.